अब रामचंद्र की जय। हर हर महादेव। Gita is considered as the universal gospel. It was told by Lord Krishna in the battlefield of Mahabharata. So Gita is 700 slokas in Sanskrit. Lord Krishna has told to Arjuna, his disciple, his friend, as to how to live in the life. When Arjuna failed in his mission to destroy the enemy, he wanted to destroy the enemy, it was the motive. It was long drawn war. So Krishna inspired Arjuna for karma. Because he was a Kshatriya, in our religious scriptures, for a Kshatriya, he is to fight the war. Hato va prapsasi swargam jitva va bhukhyase mahim tasmatu tishthakanteya yuddhaya kritanishchaya. Lord Krishna told Arjuna that as you are a Kshatriya by caste, so your karma, your action is to fight the war. If you are lost in the war, if you die in the battlefield, you have to go to the heaven. And if you survive, Virabhugya Vasundhara will reign the country. So Gita starts from that. Sanjay Dhritarashtra, when he says the Dibya Chakshu was given by Vyasa, Bhagavan Vyasa, and King Dhritarashtra was to see because he was blind. A running commentary was given by the disciple of Vyasa to Dhritarashtra to listen what is happening in the battlefield. So in Gita, there are three great yogas: Karma Yoga, Jnana Yoga, Bhakti Yoga. There is a great triangle. From karma springs knowledge, and if you are endowed with knowledge, it's bhakti, that devotion. In jnana you are able to know things in details, but in bhakti you realize things. So that is the highest step of devotion that a man can afford. So it is the universal gospel. It's not bigotry, it's not communalism. It teaches the universal way of living. So Gita tells us, karmanne vadhikaraste ma phaleshu kadachana. You go on working, you go on with the karma, and you never desire for the fruit of the action. So this niskama karma is basic tattva, the basic telling of Lord Krishna. If you have sakama karma, Bhagavan Buddha said that desire, Trishna he says, and in our Vedic literature it is kamna. So desire is the source of every sorrow, misery and gloom. If your desire is not fulfilled, then sorrow comes, misery comes. So this is the gospel. But in case of Chandi, but in case of Durga Saptasati, there is both Sakam and Niskam. You see, the king Surat got his kingdom. His desire was fulfilled. This is Sakam karma. But in case of Samadhi Vaishya, he attained liberation. Moksha, Mahanibban, Parinibbana. So here Mother Force, the goddess, Ma Durga, Durgati Nasini, gave the result, gave the consequence of Sakam Karma and Niskam Karma. So Lord says that if you go on with the Niskam Karma without any desire, if you worship me, then you can go to my place. न तद्भासयत सूर्य न शशंको न पावकः यद्गत्वा न निवर्तन्ते तद्धाम परमं मम. My Vaikuntha Dham, where sun is not there, moon is not there, Agni fire is not there. It's my force, my light that works there. And if you reach there, you will never come to the earth, to the again misery, gloom, old age, etc. etc. So, it is the Niskam Karma without any desire. If you have desire, again you have come to the life cycle. 84 lakhs of Janma Chakra, birth and death. So, Niskam Karma is the gospel, is the message of Lord Krishna to the world. And as has inspired Arjuna for karma, to go to the battlefield, to kill the tyrants, to kill the wrongdoers. So God has advised Arjuna to be in with his arrows and to kill the dragons, kill the monsters, kill the wrongdoers who have tortured the whole of the world. So Lord Krishna as the hero of Mahabharata, and you find Gita in Mahabharata. That is why Srimad Bhagavad Gita is 700 slokas, and on the other hand, Durga Saptati Chandi is again 700 slokas. So Gita teaches us all the time to be in right path, to do the karma, to have your karma without any desire thereof. And knowledge will spring from karma and you will reach bhakti. Sarva dharman parityajya mamekam saranam braja aham tvang sarva papebhya mokshayami ma sucha. In 18th chapter, the Lord says, no, where it is written. It is only the Lord Krishna who has told you that you surrender in my lotus feet, and I'll redeem all the sins, and you will go to my place. Na tat bhasayate surya, na sasanko, na pavakaha, yadgatva nivartante tadhama paramam mama. Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. श्याम रामचंद्र की